In today's video, I'll be showing you guys two quick and easy methods of creating a DIY rosemary and clove water. This will be a simple dupe for the As I Am Rosemary Water Spray, and as we can see, it has ingredients such as glycerin, betaine, rosemary leaf oil, and peppermint oil. For today's dupe, we're going to be using rosemary leaves, cloves, which are rich in antioxidants and help to support healthy hair growth, and fenugreek, which can help to support hair growth by strengthening hair follicles. For our first method, we'll be using about 4 tablespoons of rosemary leaves, and then we'll be using about 3 tablespoons of cloves, and we'll be putting all of this into a jar. Afterwards, we'll add about a cup of water, and then what we'll do lastly is to cover the jar to allow for it to ferment for about a day or two. After about a day or two of leaving it to sit, then you can strain it and put the water into a spray bottle to spray into your hair and onto your scalp. So this is what the water looks like after about an hour, and it will gradually get darker as time goes by. Okay, so for method 2, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of rosemary leaves, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, 4 tablespoons of cloves, and we're going to add 3 more tablespoons of rosemary leaves. So for this method, we're going to be boiling the mixture in about a cup and a half of water and leaving it to sit for about 10 minutes. I tried not to overboil because I don't want to denature the proteins or to destroy any of the nutrients that are within this mixture. So after leaving it to cool for a while, I can begin to strain. I like to use this paper towel to prevent little bits and pieces from falling out into my mixture. So it basically acts as like filter paper. Afterwards, I can begin to decant my mixture into my spray bottle. Try to use a funnel to avoid making a mess like me. I didn't have a funnel at that moment, so I had to make use of what I had. But yeah, those are the two quick and easy methods of creating rosemary water. As you can see, this is ideally the rich and brown color you'd want to see for your rosemary and clove spray. So here you can see me using the spray and targeting not just my hair strands but also my scalp, because rosemary is able to promote scalp health and healthy strands. It was also proven to be just as effective as minoxidil 2% at improving hair growth. Rosemary can also have very astringent properties, so you want to ensure that you're moisturizing your hair or attempting to seal in the moisture with a hair butter, a cream, or even a hair oil. This oil that I'm using is also the rosemary oil that I would have created in my previous video. If you'd like to learn how to make a simple but easy DIY rosemary oil, then please go and watch my previous video. I will leave a link in the description and also leave an end card showing you guys the video. As you guys can see, I'm ensuring to get it all throughout my hair and onto my scalp, just to ensure that I'll receive all the benefits of the rosemary and cloves. This spray, I only use it about once or twice per week. Sometimes I like to include it in my hair mask, and I use the entire bottle in my hair, which is about half a cup of water. So this rosemary water will last about up to a week if you use only half a cup, and that's good because you should only keep rosemary water for about a week or two if it is refrigerated. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Deuces!